Hello Oscar, hope you are fine. Oscar, I wanted to show you about the QR code generator that was you were talking about. This is the link free QR code.launchcode.shop where you can simply create links for any of the thing. Let's say we have GoFlow application present on Play Store. We will find it out, and here we have got the link. Anyone looking to find out about our application, he simply needs to visit this link, and this link can be created. The QR code for this link can simply be created. You need to copy this link, and then you need to go to this tool which is free, which you know do not need you to pay anything in the long run. Many of the QR code generators onto the internet asks you to pay the payments after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, and mostly the QR code also gets expired. So there's nothing that kind of case here in this application. You simply need to go to this site, and you have to paste the link of that you have to paste the link which you want to be converted into the QR code, and then you just need to click onto the URL link and just need to click onto the generate QR code. So now our QR code is generated. You can simply save it and share it to your designer wherever you want it to be pasted, and whenever this QR code will be scanned, it will redirect us directly to the Play Store, Play Store application of GoFlow. So this is it, and this way you can create the QR codes for other applications as well. I'm gonna create it myself, but and sending you the QR codes as well. Afterwards you can also get it by yourself as well. Thank you so much.